time in it. Atandike demma. Atandike demma bega. Twagala kisanja tekiriko kyengi. Kisanja.
One love.
Did you see the cormorant, birds, and the egret perched on the canoe fishing boat? It is nesting season. We do see the tourism industry flourishing, the cormorants flying past. I don't know what a bunch of them is called. You do hear the sounds of the pied kingfisher bird. You could come to Uganda and get to experience the different birds and their sounds, the tourism industry, boat cruises on the Lake Victoria. Do you see the kite gliding? It is nesting season, December. You do see nesting weaver birds, and you do hear the sounds of the nesting weaver birds. They're right there. The cormorant birds are coming in. You do hear the sounds of the cormorant.